If you're short on time, short on money, or short on caring when it comes to grooming and overall just taking care of your beard, but you do want to rock a beard, you want it to be generally healthy and look good, well, this video is for you. I want to go over the bare essentials, the minimum I believe that you need to do to take care of your beard so it does look pretty good, so it is healthy and not something that is going to be feeling terrible, looking terrible. We're going to break it down. This video is not about plugging any products or selling anything. I'm not even going to show or talk about any of those on purpose, but I do know naturally some of you are going to want some recommendations on what I talk about. If you would like any recommendations or you ever have questions, please reach out to me. Same name on Instagram. My email and Instagram link is in the description. Feel free anytime. I'm very timely with my responses. So to break this down, really where this idea came from, I've been tossing it around for a while. Then I had a buddy of mine who owns a business with roofing who reached out and he's like, hey man, I got an idea. I wake up at like 4 a.m. My family's asleep. I'm real short on my time. I'm real tired. I just cannot do the full routine that you do. What is the bare minimum so I don't have these split ends and my beard is not feeling like a bird's nest? And I said, okay, that is our angle. This video is for guys that just don't have the time. Maybe they don't have the money to get all the products that are talked about on all the different channels, or they just don't care that much, but there is some care because they want it to look good. We're gonna break it down in this video, short and sweet. Let's get into it. The two most important products you need for your beard would be beard wash and beard oil. I believe you can have a really nice looking beard and a healthy beard with only those two. Now, are there other things out there that are fantastic and genuinely serve a purpose like beard butter, beard balm, beard wax, beard conditioner, and whatever else that's out there? Yes, absolutely. I use those. I love those. But I do believe you only need beard wash and beard oil, no matter the length of the beard, no matter the texture, the style, the shape, the color, any of that. Beard wash you need to simply clean your beard, especially if you're a tradesperson like I talked about. If you're working on roofs, if you're sweating, you're getting dirty, wash your beard. I've made probably 10 videos saying that line, but it's super simple. I don't know anybody that works in a job like that, or really any job, that they don't wash their body. They don't wash their head hair if they have head hair. Wash your beard. Very simple. You cannot have a healthy beard if you're not removing the sodium, the dirt, and just life that builds up there. Now, number two is that beard oil. The beard oil is for the skin underneath the beard and it's for the hair. It is so fantastic to make it feel better, to make it look better, to make it smell better. We could go into the science and the reasons why, but that's not what this video is about. Beard oil is the ultimate product that you need for your beard health and appearance. Tools. There is only one beard tool you need to have the healthiest and best looking beard possible, and that is a beard comb. Now, of course, there are so many other tools that all have their different purposes and can be very useful for health and for appearance, but this video again is for those people short on time, money, and caring. A beard comb will get the job done. Also, we can go into detail about, is it an ox horn, buffalo horn, carbon fiber, plastic, wood comb? The best comb for this situation, for the person where this video hits home, is the comb that works for you. Plain and simple, get a beard comb that works for you, and that will get the job done to keep that beard healthy and looking great. Routine. The basic essential routine to have that beard looking and feeling good would be in the shower, use a beard wash when you feel like you need it. Did your beard get dirty, sweaty, have drool in it that day? Wash your beard. Out of the shower, dry your beard till it's damp but not dripping. Apply the right amount of beard oil, right? Less oil for a shorter beard, more oil for a longer beard. Get that massaged into the skin, work it throughout the rest of the hair, and then comb it in, and you're good to go. Wash your beard, use oil, comb, and you can have a healthy and really nice looking beard. To conclude, this is a channel that is based on taking deep dives into all aspects of beard care. Whether that's looking at the ingredients, when some would say in far too much detail, whether that's looking at the different options we can have for styling, the different products we can have for the health, the science, all that stuff is usually very deep diving. However, I want to help out all beards out there. I do not want people to feel like they are turned away from this channel because they don't care about that stuff. This video is for you. I probably have several other videos that are for you, and I'm always open to a conversation and questions. Please reach out, no matter your level of commitment, no matter your level of knowledge or experience. I would love to be able to hear you out, share my experience, and maybe help out your beard out there. So, do you have any questions on this video? Do you have anything to add? Most importantly, do you have someone in your life that you could send this to? Maybe you tried to talk to them about beards and they're just not into it. Well, maybe this could be the one for them. The bare essentials, the minimum, and then they can feel good and look good at the same time. I didn't say this at all in this video, but if you made it this far and you have not subscribed, please consider that. That would make a big difference. And then if everybody could at this point hit a thumbs up to show that you enjoy or value this video, that does mean a lot for the channel, for the algorithm, and for me personally. So thank you guys for watching today. Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.